Hey everyone, my name is Amna, and you are watching Amna Unfiltered. Today, we're diving into something that's not just a game changer, it's a future maker. We're talking about generative AI, the technology that's reshaping how we create, how we think, and how we see the world. And I'm not just talking about making new filters for our selfies or tweaking the backdrop of our videos. We're going deeper into the realm where machines help us dream up things we've never seen before. Art, music, literature, and solutions to problems we haven't even realized we have. Imagine this. What if I told you that the beautiful artwork hanging in your living room, the catchy tune you can't get out of your head, or even the script for this video, could be created by AI? This isn't a glimpse into a distant sci-fi future. It's happening right here, right now, and the possibilities are expanding every day. Generative AI isn't just about teaching a computer to mimic human creativity. It's about expanding the boundaries of what's possible. It's about harnessing the power of algorithms to generate new ideas, visuals, and sounds that have never existed before. This technology is not here to replace us. It's here to enhance our creativity, to give us tools that can turn what we imagine into reality without the traditional barriers of entry in art, music, or any other field. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Generative AI uses sophisticated models like GANs, generative adversarial networks, which are essentially two neural networks pitted against each other. One creates, and the other evaluates, in a continuous feedback loop that refines the output until it's something truly astonishing. It's like having an eternal brainstorming session with the most tireless partner you can imagine, always pushing you to explore new heights. And what about the written word? AI models like GPT, yes, the one powering this show, can write poetry, stories, and yes, even video scripts that can captivate and inspire. These tools are learning from everything ever written to generate unique, creative content that can mimic any style, from Shakespeare to contemporary blog posts. This is why I'm thrilled to introduce you to our new series, a roadmap through the world of generative AI. Over the next several weeks, we'll explore everything from the basics of neural networks and machine learning to the most cutting-edge applications. Whether you're a creative looking to push the boundaries of what's possible in your medium, a tech enthusiast eager to get a glimpse of the future, or just plain curious, there's something here for you. We'll meet the thinkers, the creators, the innovators, and the disruptors who are building and using these technologies today. We'll see firsthand how they're being applied in fields as diverse as filmmaking, fashion design, and even medicine. And we won't shy away from the big questions. What does it mean for a machine to be creative? How do we navigate the ethical minefields of AI in creation? What are the implications for copyright and authorship in a world where machines can learn from and replicate human creativity? This journey is not just about observing, it's about engaging. I'll be bringing you interviews, conducting live experiments, and even challenging you, my viewers, to interact with these AI systems to create your own art, music, and more. We'll look at the tools that are making these technologies accessible to everyone and discuss how you can get involved, whether you're coding your first lines or sketching out your next masterpiece. So, buckle up, and let's get ready to unlock the creative potential of the future. The road might be complex, but the destination promises to be extraordinary. Let Amna Unfiltered be your guide to the brave new world of generative AI. Stay tuned, stay curious, and let's make magic happen together. Introduction to Generative AI. Generative AI is a term that might sound like it's ripped straight from the pages of a science fiction novel. But trust me, it's as real as the device you're using to watch this. This technology isn't just changing the game, it's creating entirely new playing fields in every domain you can think of, from art and music to science and engineering. And today, I'm here to take you on an exhilarating journey through the fascinating world of generative AI, revealing its magic, its potential, and why it matters to you. Imagine stepping into a studio where the paint never dries up, the canvas never runs out, and your creativity is enhanced by a collaborator that doesn't sleep, doesn't eat, but is always ready to assist, refine, and expand upon your ideas. This is what it's like to work alongside generative AI. It's a technology that uses complex algorithms to create content, everything from poems, articles, and music to architectural designs and medical solutions. The breadth of its capability is staggering, and we are just scratching the surface of its potential. Now, let's delve deeper into what makes generative AI tick. At its heart, generative AI involves training machines to understand patterns, styles, or sequences from massive datasets, learning from existing materials to generate new items that bear the hallmarks of human-like creativity. These AI models learn from countless examples, whether that's a database of classical paintings, thousands of hours of music, or the entire body of work of an author. What emerges from this learning process is a tool that doesn't just mimic style, but also generates novel creations that resonate with authenticity and artistic flair. But how did we get here? The journey of generative AI began decades ago with the birth of neural networks, simple models inspired by the human brain's architecture, designed to recognize patterns and make decisions. Over the years, as computer power escalated and our understanding of these models deepened, neural networks grew in complexity and capability. This evolution paved the way for today's sophisticated AI models that can not only recognize images or translate phrases, but also invent and create. One of the foundational technologies behind generative AI is the neural network, particularly deep learning. Deep learning allows models to make sense of and generate complex data through layers that mimic the human brain's structure and function. Each layer is like a sieve that filters information, refines it, and passes it along to the next, building a detailed understanding of the data it's been fed. The beauty of these systems lies in their versatility. For instance, in the art world, AI can analyze thousands of paintings, learning styles, strokes, color use, and compositions to generate new artworks that might resemble the classics yet carry a unique contemporary edge. In music, AI algorithms can study everything from Bach to the Beatles, learning to produce compositions that can stir emotions or even fill dance floors, all without human intervention. But why does this matter? Well, think about the implications. For artists, this technology offers an inexhaustible source of inspiration and a new tool for expression. For businesses, it opens up a world of possibilities in design and innovation, driving down costs while speeding up the creation process. And for everyday creators, it democratizes access to artistic expression, allowing anyone with a smartphone to create high-quality content that could previously only be produced by professionals. Moreover, the applications of generative AI extend beyond art. In healthcare, AI models are being trained to generate new molecules, potentially speeding up the development of new drugs. In environmental science, these models help simulate complex climate patterns, contributing to our understanding of global warming and facilitating better planning for sustainability efforts. As we look to the future, the potential of generative AI continues to expand. Its impact on personalization and customization will revolutionize industries. Imagine fashion, where clothes are designed uniquely for your preferences and body shape by AI. Or media, where video games and movies adapt in real time to your reactions, crafting personalized narratives that are truly engaging. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace the capabilities of generative AI, we must also navigate the ethical challenges it poses. Issues of copyright, authenticity, and the potential for misuse need careful consideration and regulation. Moreover, while AI can assist in creation, it's vital to remember that it does not replace human creativity, but instead amplifies it, enhances it, and, in many ways, democratizes it. Today, as we stand on the brink of this new era, the question isn't just about what generative AI is capable of, but also about how we will choose to use it. How will we harness its foundations of generative models? Diving into the foundations of generative models feels like embarking on a grand adventure into the unknown, where each step forward reveals new landscapes of technological innovation and creative possibilities. These models aren't just algorithms or lines of code. They are the bedrock upon which the future of artificial intelligence and machine creativity is being built. As we explore this fascinating realm, we're not merely observing, we're participating in a revolution that is reshaping our digital world. At the heart of this exploration are two pivotal concepts: variational autoencoders, VAEs, and generative adversarial networks, GANs. These are not just tools, but gateways to understanding how machines can learn to create, to dream, and most importantly, to innovate. Let's begin with variational autoencoders, a class of machine learning models that fundamentally change our approach to AI by learning to encode and decode data, compressing it into an understandable, manipulable form. Imagine you have a vast library of books, so extensive that it would take lifetimes to read them all. A VAE can be thought of as a master librarian who not only reads every book, but also writes a concise summary of each one, capturing its essence in a way that can be easily accessed and understood. This process of encoding information into a compact representation and then decoding it back to its original form is what enables a VAE to generate new data that mimics the original data sets. The potential here is profound, enabling us to generate new images, music, or even text that feels familiar yet is entirely new. Next, we turn to generative adversarial networks, or GANs, which represent a dramatic shift in how we think about machine learning. Conceived as a system of two neural networks contesting with each other in a game-like scenario, GANs are a dance of dynamics between the creator and the critic. One network generates content, while the other evaluates it, leading to a fascinating interplay that refines the outputs to increasingly higher levels of realism and precision. This process mimics a kind of evolutionary pressure, pushing the generative network to produce results that are ever more convincing, ever closer to the reality we know. The implications of these technologies are breathtaking. In art, for instance, GANs have been used to create stunningly lifelike portraits of people who never existed. In fashion, they are being used to design new apparel that blends historical styles with futuristic ideas. Even more compelling is their potential in synthetic data generation for training other AI systems, a technique that could accelerate AI development while reducing the need for vast data sets, which are often limited or biased. But the journey through the foundations of generative models is not just about understanding these technologies. It's about envisioning their potential to transform society. Consider the way these models could impact healthcare by generating synthetic medical data that preserves patient privacy while providing invaluable resources for training medical AI. Or think about their role in environmental science, where they could help model complex climate scenarios, aiding in prediction and preparation rather than mere reaction. As we delve deeper into the mechanics of these models, we encounter a blend of mathematical elegance and computational power that is the hallmark of modern AI research. The algorithms at play within VAEs and GANs are crafted from layers of neural networks, each one fine-tuned to perform its task with increasing sophistication. These networks learn from their environments in a way that is reminiscent of human learning, making them not only efficient, but also adaptable to new challenges and data. This adaptability is key to the widespread application of generative models. Whether in automating creative processes, enhancing decision-making in business, or advancing scientific research, the flexibility and efficiency of these models open up a world of possibilities. They allow us to imagine a future where AI is not a tool of replication, but a partner in creation, offering new ways to engage with the world and solve problems that are currently beyond our reach. Yet, as we chart this exciting territory, we must also navigate the ethical and practical challenges it presents. The power of generative models comes with significant responsibilities, issues of bias, fairness, and transparency that must be addressed to ensure these technologies benefit all of humanity. It's a dialogue that extends beyond developers and technologists, to involve everyone affected by these advances. In this exploration of generative models, we're not just passive observers. We're active participants shaping a future that marries creativity with technology, imagination with data, and innovation with ethical responsibility. As we move forward, let's carry with us a sense of wonder and a commitment to responsible development. Let's continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, driven by a curiosity that is as limitless as the potential of generative AI itself. This is more than just a technological journey. It's a creative odyssey that invites us all to reimagine and reinvent the world as we know it. Advanced generative models. In the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the frontier is continuously being pushed forward by the advent of advanced generative models. These sophisticated systems represent a significant leap from their predecessors, transforming not just how we interact with data, but also how we envision the future of creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making. As we delve deeper into this technological revolution, it becomes clear that these models are not just tools. They are collaborators in the crafting of a new digital reality. Let's begin by exploring transformers, a breakthrough that has redefined the boundaries of what machines can achieve. Unlike traditional models that process data in sequences, transformers operate with an architecture that allows them to consider all parts of the data simultaneously. This attention mechanism fundamentally changes how they understand and generate language, images, and even code. It's as if they can see a canvas in its entirety, rather than being restricted to a single stroke at a time. This holistic view allows for unprecedented accuracy and fluency in tasks like translation, conversation, and content creation, making transformers not just tools for automation, but partners in creation. Imagine a system that can write like Shakespeare, generate dialogue like a seasoned screenwriter, or compose a symphony to stir the soul. This is the power of transformers. They learn from the vast expanses of data they're trained on, finding patterns and nuances that elude even the most meticulous human minds. Their ability to generate content that resonates with human emotions and complexities is not just impressive, it's inspiring. It suggests a future where AI helps us reach into the depths of our creativity, bringing to life ideas that we can barely imagine. Then there are diffusion models, another cutting-edge development in the realm of generative AI. These models work by gradually learning to reverse a process that adds noise to data, effectively learning to restore and create high-quality images from corrupted versions. The potential here is as vast as it is thrilling. In areas such as medical imaging, diffusion models could help doctors visualize diseases in ways that are currently impossible, potentially saving lives by catching conditions before they become untreatable. In entertainment and art, they promise a new era where digital worlds are as detailed and lifelike as the physical one, where the barriers between creator and creation blur in exciting new ways. The applications of these advanced generative models are as diverse as they are transformative. In business, for example, transformers are revolutionizing how companies interact with customers. Chatbots powered by this technology can understand and respond to queries with such sophistication that customers often don't realize they're speaking to an AI. This enhances customer experience, cuts costs, and frees up human employees for more creative and strategic tasks. In creative industries, diffusion models are being used to design everything from unique fashion pieces to entire virtual landscapes for video games and virtual reality environments, pushing the boundaries of what creators thought was possible. As we look to the future, the convergence of these technologies with other fields such as quantum computing and biotechnology heralds a new dawn of innovation. Imagine AI that can model the impact of climate change with high accuracy, helping us to devise more effective strategies for mitigation and adaptation. Or consider the possibility of personalized medicine, where AI designs treatments tailored to the genetic makeup of each individual. The implications are profound, touching every aspect of our lives, from the way we work and play to how we manage our health and our environment. Yet, With great power comes great responsibility. The advancement of generative models raises ethical questions that must be addressed with urgency and care. Issues such as privacy, security, and the potential for misuse need to be navigated with a clear moral compass. As we integrate these powerful tools into our societies, we must do so in ways that enhance human dignity and promote fairness and equity. The journey into the world of advanced generative models is not just a technical challenge, it is a creative adventure and a moral exploration. It is about envisioning a future that embraces the full potential of human and machine collaboration. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we are called not only to marvel at the capabilities of these technologies, but to guide their development with wisdom, foresight, and a deep commitment to the betterment of humanity. This exploration of advanced generative models is an invitation to dream big, to imagine a world enhanced by our creations, and to take bold steps toward making those dreams a reality. It challenges us to be creators, visionaries, and ethical leaders in a world that is increasingly shaped by the tools we build. The possibilities are limitless, and the future is ours to define. Let us move forward with curiosity, enthusiasm, and a resolute commitment to use these extraordinary tools to create a world that reflects our highest ideals and aspirations. Applications of generative AI. The realm of generative AI unfurls a canvas so vast and variegated that it transforms every field it touches. This technology, a marvel of modern science, is not just about creating, it's about revolutionizing. From art and entertainment to business and healthcare, generative AI isn't just a participant, it's becoming a leader, reshaping industries and redefining what's possible. Picture the art world, where creativity is boundless and every brushstroke tells a story. Here, generative AI emerges as a collaborative force, a digital artist capable of creating works that resonate with human emotions and aesthetic sensibilities. Imagine an AI that can analyze the entire history of art, learn styles and techniques from the Renaissance to contemporary times, and then blend them into something entirely new and breathtaking. This isn't just about replicating what's been done, it's about setting the stage for new forms of expression that push the boundaries of human imagination. In the sphere of entertainment, the impact of generative AI is equally profound. Filmmakers and video game developers are harnessing these technologies to create richer, more immersive experiences. AI algorithms can generate realistic landscapes, detailed characters, and complex storylines that adapt to players' decisions in real time, creating a truly interactive experience. The line between creator and audience is blurring as viewers influence and alter the narrative through their interactions, making each experience unique and deeply personal. Now, shift your gaze to the world of business, where efficiency, innovation, and customer satisfaction are paramount. Generative AI is revolutionizing marketing and advertising by creating targeted content that resonates deeply with audiences. Imagine an AI that can craft personalized advertising campaigns that speak directly to individual preferences and behaviors, significantly improving engagement and conversion rates. Furthermore, companies are using AI to generate reports, presentations, and even analyze market trends, freeing up human employees for strategic thinking and creative problem-solving. The potential of generative AI in healthcare is perhaps one of the most exciting and vital areas of application. Here, AI is being used to generate synthetic data for research, enabling the development of new treatments and drugs without compromising patient privacy. AI models can simulate how drugs interact with the human body, speeding up the drug discovery process and making it more cost-effective. Moreover, these technologies are assisting in medical diagnostics by creating detailed, accurate models of human organs from limited or incomplete data, aiding doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and with greater precision. But let's take a moment to consider the broader societal impacts. In education, generative AI is being leveraged to create customized learning experiences that adapt to the pace and style of individual learners. Students can benefit from personalized tutorials, problems, and feedback, significantly enhancing learning outcomes and engagement. AI-generated content can also provide educators with tools that were previously unavailable, from simulated experiments that are too dangerous or expensive to conduct in a classroom to interactive historical reconstructions that bring the past to life. Environmental science is another field reaping the benefits of generative AI. By modeling complex climate systems and predicting changes with greater accuracy, AI helps us understand and combat climate change more effectively. It also plays a crucial role in optimizing resource use in agriculture, reducing waste, and improving yields through predictive analysis and management tools that adjust to real-time environmental conditions. However, the journey doesn't stop here. The horizon of generative AI's applications continues to expand, touching every aspect of human life. From legal to financial services, from public safety to urban planning, AI's ability to analyze data and generate insights is transforming decision-making processes and operational efficiencies across the board. As we explore the multifaceted applications of generative AI, we must also engage in a dialogue about the ethical considerations of this technology. The power to create and influence at such a scale carries with it profound responsibilities. We must address issues of bias, fairness, and the potential for misuse proactively. It is imperative to develop frameworks that ensure these technologies are used for the betterment of society, enhancing lives while respecting privacy and promoting diversity and inclusion. In this era of rapid technological advancement, our challenge is to harness the power of generative AI ethically and wisely. As we stand at this crossroads, we have the opportunity to steer the future toward unprecedented possibilities for creativity, problem-solving, and global improvement. Let us embrace this technology with the foresight and diligence necessary to ensure that as we progress, we do so in ways that benefit all of humanity. This is not just an exploration of what AI can do. It's a vision of what we can achieve together with AI as our ally, our tool, and our inspiration. Let's continue this journey with optimism and a commitment to crafting a world where technology and humanity evolve together, in harmony and for the greater good. Capstone Project and Evaluation. As we approach the culmination of our exploration into the transformative world of generative AI, the Capstone Project and Evaluation phase offers a thrilling opportunity for students to apply their newfound knowledge and skills. This is more than just a test of what has been learned. It is a chance to innovate, to create, and to possibly influence future developments in technology. It's a moment to step beyond the role of learner and into the role of creator and visionary. This phase of the course is designed not merely to evaluate knowledge in a conventional sense, but to challenge participants to think critically and creatively about how generative AI can be applied in real-world scenarios. Imagine yourself at the forefront of this field, wielding the tools and techniques you've mastered to solve complex problems, enhance human creativity, or even drive social and economic change. The Capstone Project is the heart of this phase. Students are encouraged to choose a problem or a topic that not only interests them, but has the potential to contribute something new to the field of AI. Whether it's devising a new application for GANs in creating sustainable city planning, using VAEs to solve problems in medical imaging, or exploring novel ways to integrate AI in enhancing educational methodologies, the possibilities are as vast as the imagination. As these projects begin to take shape, students embark on a journey of discovery and innovation. Each project serves as a microcosm of the larger digital transformation taking place around us. Students must draw upon everything they have learned about the technical aspects of generative AI, including the intricate architectures of neural networks and the subtleties of machine learning models. But technical prowess alone is not enough. They must also consider ethical implications, user experience, and practical feasibility, elements that are crucial for creating solutions that are not only innovative, but also viable and responsible. Throughout the project development process, students engage in a continuous cycle of creation, feedback, and revision. This iterative process is vital as it mirrors the real-world dynamics of technological development and deployment. Peer reviews and mentor feedback play a crucial role here, providing external perspectives that challenge the creators to refine and improve their proposals, ensuring robustness, usability, and relevance. As the projects near completion, the anticipation builds towards the presentation day, an event that is both a celebration and a critical evaluation. Here, students have the opportunity to showcase their work not just to their peers and instructors, but often to external stakeholders, including industry experts and potential investors. The presentations are more than just academic exercises. They are pitches, defenses, and dialogues that can spark interest, attract collaboration, and even secure funding for further development. The evaluation criteria for these projects are meticulously designed to measure not just the technical accuracy, but also innovation, practical impact, and ethical considerations. This comprehensive approach ensures that the projects not only demonstrate the students' ability to apply their knowledge, but also their capacity to think deeply about the role of technology in society. Moreover, this phase includes a reflective component where students are encouraged to articulate their learning experiences, challenges faced, and insights gained. This reflection is crucial as it deepens learning and fosters a mindset of continuous improvement and lifelong learning. It encourages students to not only view their projects in the context of academic achievement, but as stepping stones in their ongoing professional and personal development. In wrapping up the capstone project and evaluation, it's clear that this is not just an end, but a beginning. For many, this project will serve as a launching pad for future endeavors in technology, research, or entrepreneurship. It is a proof of concept for their ideas and a testament to their skills, creativity, and vision. The conclusion of this phase marks a moment of transformation, where students transition from learners to leaders, from followers to creators. It is a profound reminder that education in the field of generative AI is not just about absorbing knowledge, but about applying it creatively and responsibly to make a tangible impact on the world. This journey through the capstone project and evaluation is emblematic of the broader journey we are all on in this era of rapid technological change. It's a reminder that each of us has the potential to shape the future, to contribute to the evolution of technology, and to ensure that as we move forward, we do so with a commitment to enhancing human life, respecting our ethical boundaries, and nurturing our global community.